everyone, welcome to the Basic of Organic Chemistry course. I'm Ms. Pooja Sabre, your chemistry teacher, and I'm excited to start this new series on organic chemistry. Organic chemistry students, it is a fascinating branch of chemistry that deals with the study of carbon containing compounds. It's a vast field that has numerous applications in our daily lives, from the food we eat to the medicines we take, right? In this entire course, I'll be covering the basic concept of organic chemistry, the characteristics, then the structural representation, the nomenclature part, very important in organic chemistry. Under nomenclature, I'll be explaining IUPAC rules as well as a trivial or common name. Then coming to isomerism, reaction mechanism, there are different tools in organic chemistry like inductive effect, electromeric effect, hyperconjugation, electrophile, nucleophile, everything I'm going to cover in this entire course. And I'm damn sure by the end of this course, you will be able to solve any type of question based on nomenclature or IUPAC, be it the functional group. Okay, so at the end of the course, you'll be able to understand the basic concept of organic chemistry, identify and name organic compound, whereas analyze the reaction mechanism. And I'm going to cover each and every topic in detail with video lectures, examples, as well as more and more practice problem along with different tricks. Okay, there will be many interesting tricks I will be sharing throughout the course. So keep watching my all the lectures. Okay, now let us start with the topic. The chemical compounds. When I talk about chemical compounds, they are basically of two types, right? Organic compounds and then comes the inorganic compounds, right? Now, the earlier definition of organic compounds was all the compounds which are obtained from animals, that is, or we can say, or animals or plants, directly or indirectly, they were termed as organic compounds. Okay, I repeat, in the earlier definition of organic compound is what, students? If the compound it is derived from the living source, that is an animal or plant, then they were termed as organic compounds, right? Whereas if I talk about inorganic compounds, the compounds which are derived or obtained from non-living sources, for example, mineral, rocks, they were called as inorganic compounds, right? And then obviously the study of organic compounds, we call it as what? Organic chemistry, right? Now the modern definition of organic chemistry is, it is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of compounds of carbon with hydrogen and their derivatives. So basically, the organic chemistry or the organic compounds are nothing but it is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of hydrocarbons, okay, hydrogen and carbon. Right. Now, why there is a need that out of so many elements in the periodic table, that carbon is a very, very special element? Why only the entire thing is revolving around carbon? Okay, so that we are going to study entirely in detail in this topic. So let us quickly start with the topic. Now, before proceeding, now why there is a reason to treat organic chemistry as a separate branch? Now we know in chemistry there are different branches like physical, organic, inorganic, analytical. Okay, so why organic chemistry is treated as a separate branch? Now let us have a look. If I look into the organic compounds, there are so many or a large number of organic compound which we use in our day-to-day life. There are approximately 5 million, okay, 5 million organic compounds which are known at present, right? And why so many organic compounds are present? Because of the property that is catenation. Carbon, it has a very special tendency to show what? To show catenation, right? And then if I talk about the non-ionic character of organic compounds, always remember organic compounds are generally covalent. Okay, organic compounds, they are covalent compounds. Okay, and therefore they do not give any ion reactions. This is also one of the reason why they are treated separately as a separate branch. Organic compounds, remember students, they are what generally covalent compounds, and therefore they do not give ionic reactions. On the other hand, inorganic compounds, they are what? Ionic, okay, ionic, and they give ionic reactions, right? And again, isomerism. Again, isomerism, there are so many organic compounds, they show what? They show isomerism. Isomerism in detail we will be studying in the next lecture. But remember, isomerism is nothing but the phenomenon in which the structural formula is what? It is different, whereas the molecular formula is same. Right? Let us now have a look on the characteristics of carbon atom. Now, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the full course, and drop your question in the comments. And don't miss the next video in this series. It's linked right here on the screen. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.